Horses out, Ria Pandora, fast to begin, skip the stag, Coquette, moving up Malim, Successory outside, and followed by Territun, King's Treasure, King Aljun, then followed by Real Heaven, Gobilis, moving up Ninjitsu, Dugos Pet, and Star Turk is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have skipped the stag by about 3 lengths. Coquette in second, Successor moving up now to take third, Malihim drives back in fourth, Territun racing in fifth, 5 lengths away in sixth comes Gobilis, King Aljun, Ninjitsu comes next, King's Treasure, Pandora moving up Dugos Pet, Real Heaven and Starter still racing in less, inside the tres, Octavo, Arrested is skip the stag by about 5 lengths. Successor still in second, and in third, Territun, Danori inside, Coquette, then followed by Malihim, King Aljun, Gobilis, Ninjitsu, Pandora, King's Treasure, Dugos Pet, Star Turk, and Real Heaven. Skip the stag, Successor now moves up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Successor over skip the stag in second, moving up on the outside, King Aljun, last 75 meters, and it's still Successor. And finally, Successor, second, skip the stag, King Aljun, Coquette, then comes Territun and Malihim for your supers.
13